Implications from lack of information assurance. Information system is a set of elements which consists of people, data or technology and processes or procedures working together to provide useful information. Also, information system is any set of information technology and people's activities using that technology to back up the operations, management and decision making. An information system failure can cause financial loss, commercial embarrassment, loss of customers and revenue streams, sanctions and the loss of staff morale or stakeholder allegiance in an organization. In order to ensure information assurance, we need to do certain things in an organization. So the few things that can be done from the organization level is we can ensure that the network infrastructure is very well maintained. For example, you can take the backup of the data can be encrypted, you can provide authentication, you can maintain devices with the passwords, you can have UPS, you can install firewalls. You can also add IDS or IPS, VPN and ACL in order to ensure that the system is not being compromised by anybody. So likewise application software. So you can install latest packages and you can update the patches so that in order to ensure that there is no vulnerability in the software. Likewise, you can also install physical security components like we can install CCTV cameras, you can add biometric authentication and also you can include fire control. And coming to the access devices, you can also ensure authentication for the desktop, laptop, PDA and thin clients. So when we follow these small things, we can ensure that the information and the information system is secure. CIA balance, non-repudiation and authentication. So here we are going to see the impact of the CIA triad. The CIA triad basically consists of confidentiality, availability and integrity. So all these three things are essential in order to ensure the security of any system. So we'll see how one will be having an impact on the others. Basic components of security. So basic components of security are CIA. C stands for confidentiality, I stands for integrity and A stands for availability. So only when all these three systems are in place, we can ensure there is security. So coming to C means confidentiality. So who is authorized to use data? I stands for integrity, which means whether the data is good, and A stands for availability. Can access data whenever we need it. So coming to CIA, you can include other components also. So you can have CIA or CIAAAN. So other security components also can be added to your CIA. So the other components are you can have authentication, you can have authorization, you can also have non-repudiation. It depends on our requirement. Need to balance CIA. So here in this particular slide we will be referring to two examples. So the first example is confidentiality versus integrity and availability. So for example, if just confidentiality is there, integrity and availability will have setbacks. For example, if you want to ensure confidentiality, say supposing you disconnect the computer from internet to increase the confidentiality. So what will happen then? So availability suffers. So if you are trying to provide 24/7 or any service, availability will not be there. And so the integrity suffers due to the lost update. So that is the first example. So the second scenario is integrity versus confidentiality and availability. So integrity, for example, here we have extensive data checks by different people or systems to increase the integrity. So in that case, what will happen? So if you want to have extensive checks by different people means, which means you are providing the data to many people. So in that case, your confidentiality suffers as more people see the data, and also availability suffers due to lock on the data and the verification. So we need to have a balance of all these CIA in order to ensure your system is secure. Thank you.